Hi, to turn on and off flashlight with the help of tapping backport of your iPhone 16e, you need to go in settings first. So let's find and open settings. And here we need to search for accessibility tab. Then scroll a bit down, select touch section, and scroll all the way down to find back tap. And now we can set to enable or disable flashlight with the help of either a double tapping or a triple tapping. So it is more comfortable to use double tap because this feature works not the best way. So let's select double tap and set flashlight. And now let's test it. So I'm just gonna try to double tap back part of my phone. And yep, as you can see, it's working. Let's try this out again. Flashlight is on now. Let's double tap to turn off. And yep, to disable this feature at all, you need to go back in accessibility and in the list select something else or choose none and save changes by going back. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.